up, you guys? How you doing? Well, I hope. Hello from Los Angeles. I'm in my new apartment. I'm so excited to be here. Forgive the echo. It's just a little bit empty. I'm still waiting for my stuff to arrive. As you can see, I have a sofa. She's pink. There will be, of course, an apartment tour coming, lots of vlogs, but I wanted to share something really cool with you because I got my first, literally my first piece of mail in the new apartment, and it was from my friends at Fab Fit Fun. This video is in partnership with them. I have not gotten one of these boxes before, and I've seen so many of my friends open them up, and I've been like, that's actually a really good box. Everything is full size, it's a subscription, and it's like 4 times a year. The box is amazing, so let me just show you what's inside. So if you're not familiar with Fab Fit Fun, it's a seasonal subscription box which comes 4 times a year with full size beauty, fashion, wellness products, right? Full size. So it's not giving you those little tiny samples that you can find in the back of a magazine. It's like the real deal. The value of each box is over $200, but the box itself only costs $49. What? Like $49 for $200 worth of stuff. It's a no-brainer. Like, it's a no-brainer. And the fact that this is quality, like really dope stuff that I actually want, products that I use, that I already have, and I'm like getting basically free refills, like, sign me up. First of all, how cute is this box? Like, hello, aesthetic. Yes, it's sunny. So this is the spring box, and it looks like this. And the cool thing is that they have full-size products. I'm talking about some of the products too on my IG, but I'm gonna go through them with you here. This is literally either stuff I've wanted to try, stuff that I use, or things that I've been introduced to, and I'm like, this is pretty cool. A lot of these boxes, I feel like they give you like samples or small sizes, or it's just like random stuff, and you're like, I'm never gonna use this. Every single thing in my box I want and or need, so very excited. First thing that was in my box, and I was like, hello, timely. I'm gonna put my finger over my code because I'm gonna use her, but it's a $50 credit to HelloFresh. I have such a big goal to cook more. It's one of my goals for the year. Living in New York, I've been absolutely terrible at preparing my own food. You're always going out, you're always ordering in. I mean, the whole Sex and the City thing where Carrie Bradshaw kept her shoes in the oven, that's a very Manhattanite thing. I'm not saying that no one cooks there, but like most people don't. So I'm excited to kind of rework my mind and get in the kitchen, because it's not like, oh, your girl can burn, but I can make some cute things. Like, I can make some cute meals, so I want to do that. So I was really excited that there was a $50 gift card in there. The next thing, and this is funny because I ordered one of these and it came broken, so I'm excited that I have one that will work. And this is this really cool, it's one of those like scent things, and it comes with an essential oil. It's this great, like, you know, room smell good thing, and you pour the oils in, you pour a little bit. Do you pour water in here? I'm not really sure. I think you do, but I think you pour oil, water, and then it mists into the room to make your place smell real good. This is probably, I'm gonna call this my favorite thing that came in the box. You guys, it's a Swell bottle, but it's yellow and it has bumblebees all over it. Hello, 1, save the bees. 2, beehive. Are we part of the beehive? I am. So this bottle is really great. Swell bottles are really pricey, and I can't believe that it came in this box. And especially now living in Cali, it is the desert here. I'm good about drinking my water, you know, in general, but I definitely am more thirsty here. And instead of buying, you know, plastic water bottles, which are pretty much evil, you know, the peril of our society, it'll be good to carry around my own water in something cute like this. Next thing I'm gonna show you, if you follow me on IG, you're gonna know that I've been hyped for this because I have been rocking the wave spray so hard. I was using, so they have this wave spray, which is fantastic on the wig that I wear, the one with the bob, the waves that you guys love, and now I have the longer version. So the wave spray is insane, but I also had the leave-in conditioner, and this I can even use with my braids. Like, it just feels good on my scalp. It smells amazing. Kind of treat it like hair perfume that's, you know, not harmful. But so this was in there, and this is the full size. Like, I'm shook. This is expensive. Like, this is my mind exploding. Mind exploding. Few more products that I'm obsessed with. So this one's from Kors. I actually have gotten a few things from their PR team. This is a fabulous like luxury skincare brand, and I was kind of hyped to see Wild Rose. What is this? This is the nighttime, it's a brightening facial. So it's a vitamin C brightening sleeping facial. So, you know, when you're brown or you have any pigment in your skin, you can get dark marks, and vitamin C is like the holy grail for just kind of evening out your skin tone, I have found, and it's also great for like anti-aging. This is good for everything. So this sleeping mask, now that I have the Laneige water hydrating sleeping mask, I've become a big fan of sleeping masks, so I'm excited to try this. And then I also got this from Dr. Brandt, which we know Dr. Brandt is like the cure-all for wrinkles and all kinds of things. This is the Needles No More, No More Bags. And so this is an eye depuffing gel. I don't really get puffy eyes. I think it's more hereditary. It's like you could be tired, you could be, you know, like I guess as we get older, our eyes change, but it's also something more that I think is hereditary. Like you can have puffiness under your eyes from a very young age, just kind of how your eyes are. So this is gonna be amazing. I think I'm gonna actually share this with Carla because she gets more puffier eyes underneath than me, but that's amazing. And then we also have this jump rope, which is really cool. I think this is from Serena. I don't remember. I think I'll link it below, but this jump rope is really cool. I'm not the jump ropiest, you know, due to a knee injury, but I think this is such a cool and easy, and it's a fun way of kind of getting some exercise in. I used to actually love jumping rope before I like trashed my knee falling down, cause hello, clumsy, but this is great. And then also we have two more products that I'm gonna share with you. We have this. So this smells amazing. This is called Relax, and it's a champagne charcoal scrub. I like, there was, you know how like beauty has trends. So right now, like things would be all matcha, or things would be all charcoal, or, you know, all pomegranate. Like there's trends in beauty. Charcoal was like a big trend, and I'm so glad that that came into our lives because I really learned the benefits of charcoal. Drinking charcoal, you know, they have that like alkaline water with charcoal. Like if your stomach is upset, someone actually suggested that to me when I had food poisoning one time, and it was such a help. Putting charcoal, you know, mud mask and stuff. So I have never seen a charcoal scrub. So I'm really excited to try this, and it smells so good. Like, wow. And hello, look at this packaging. Look at that rose gold. This is cute. This one, you guys, if you want to Google, I mean, you should figure this out. Figure this product out for yourself. Feeling a lot like Christmas. And what a like crazy warm welcome to my new apartment. Like rather than getting a bill first, you know, it's like, hey, electric company's like, what up, yo? You know, this like literally getting delivered as my first thing has been really like a fun little treat. So the last thing is this. It is from Levito, and it's a body lotion, and it's like this mandarin, orange, and bergamot. It smells so good. You know, we're all about the scents, right? Like everyone wants things that smell good, but also this is so hydrating. I have been using this basically since I opened the box, because, you know, I had to sneak in the box and see what was in there. Like, fair, right? Like I had to. So I opened it actually yesterday, and I've put this lotion on my hands maybe like 4 times. And I also put it on my body when I took a shower yesterday. And I just love this like citrus aroma, and the bergamot makes it not too citrusy, because, you know, sometimes citrus scents can be a little bit sweet, but I think the combination, it's delicious. Actually, I would love a perfume that smelled like this, or a body spray. So that is it for me. Thank you so much again to FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video. Thanks for being my very first piece of mail in my new place. It got here before the sofa, before everything really. It was sitting there waiting for me when I had my keys. So that was really exciting to come home to. Like I said, many more videos to come, lots of vlogs, lots of fun shopping, decorating, all the moving things coming your way. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Information on how you can get your own box is in the description below. And that's it. Love you, mean it. Bye.